Need to reschedule your DMV appointment? I'll show you how in 1 minute. First, have your confirmation number and ID ready. Open the official DMV website and click Manage Appointment. Sign in with your account or use the confirmation link. On the Appointments page, find the appointment you want to change. Click Reschedule to see available dates and times. Choose a new date from the calendar and pick a convenient time. If your preferred slot is unavailable, try nearby DMV locations. Review the updated appointment details carefully before confirming. Confirm the reschedule and accept any updated fees if prompted. You'll receive a confirmation email. Check it and save the new appointment. If you need help, call the DMV or visit the Help Center online. You're all set.